Needed water to swallow. Now he's spitting it out. What are you doing? Oh. Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. I bought this today at Costco. I was walking through and I was looking for something for dinner tonight because of course the wife doesn't cook. Okay, so as I'm in there, I'm looking at stuff. Look at this. Look how delicious that looks. Now, if it looks as good or if it tastes as good as it looks, I have a feeling that this might be a favorite of ours. This is the Tagliatelle grilled white chicken at Portobello mushroom sauce by Giovanni Rana. Anyone that speaks Italian, I'm sorry, but I did the best that I could with that. You can get this at Costco right now. It's for $9.99. Super quick to make. It says only 8 to 9 minutes in the microwave. So that's what we're gonna do. So it has grilled chicken in it, sauce with mushrooms and pasta. And it's microwavable, 8 minutes. It says 270 calories per serving, and there's 7 servings in here. So here you go. You get a packet of pasta, not nearly as much as I thought I would get. There's the grilled chicken already. And then the sauce. You take the pasta, you cut that open, spread that out in this bowl. So that's about how much I get in the bowl. Then it said to take and put the sauce over the top of it. Again, real simple. I like the simplicity. Pour this over the top evenly is what it said. There's a lot of sauce in here, so I'm liking that. That makes me feel a little bit better. What we do now is just take and sprinkle that chicken on top. That is it, folks. That's what it looks like. The noodles are not super soft yet. They are soft, but I wouldn't eat them yet. Smells delicious, looks delicious. 8 minutes in the microwave. I did say take and put paper towel over the top of it and double it. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the microwave and we'll let you know. Okay, you can grab it by the sides. Okay, there it is. Now what it says is to mix that up and then let it stand for a couple minutes and then serve. Okay, I'm excited for this one. Those of you that watch Chef Dawg, you'll know that we review Costco food. Oh, by the way, big week for Chef Dawg. We hit 1,000 subscribers. You have confetti in the air. I don't know if he's gonna do something, but you know, the CEO of Chef Dawg behind the camera, that's my son Grayson, but he does everything else, but here's confetti. Woo, 1,000 subscribers. We're at 1,014 actually now. So thank you so much, we appreciate it. All right, we're gonna try some of this, folks. Okay, tastes really good. The flavor's really good flavor. No, it doesn't taste like Olive Garden. The noodles though are not very soft. Love the flavor, love it. Seriously, really good. But the noodles are kind of hard. I did not expect that, I'm a little disappointed. Okay, Dawgs, come try this out. All right, son. Now he loves pasta, so he's kind of a pasta connoisseur. His favorite place to eat is what, Olive Garden? You like it? Mm-hmm. Thanks. Needed water to swallow. Now he's spitting it out. What are you doing? Oh, please tell me you got that. That's gonna make great television. I love it. So make sure not to take really big bites. Is that what happened?
Tastes great, just this is the only thing I'm eating today.
So what happened there though? You gotta tell the world. Was that choking or was that bad?
I'm choking.
There we go. That was awesome. So I liked it. It was okay. So because of the noodles, I'm giving it kind of a 5.5 rating. 5.5.
5.5?
I love the flavor, but the noodle, they're hard. They don't have another big bite. Make sure. Okay. Let's not do that again. I hope you enjoyed this session of Chef Dawg. It was quite entertaining. About lost my kid.
Yeah, and you don't care at all.
Oh, I totally, if you were dying, I would have given you the Heimlich. I want to follow up. I've been eating this. It's getting a little bit better. The noodles are softening. So instead of waiting a couple minutes, maybe wait longer for them to soften up, but maybe wait just a little bit longer than the 2 minutes and stir it up in there so that they can soften up more. So I want to come back and just say, I'm going to bump that 5.5 closer to probably like a 7-ish. There's my recommendation. Give it a little bit more time. Hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Bye.